We use V1 plus ing form in the continuous tense. Example, I am drinking tea now. Drink plus ing, drinking. She is singing a song at present. Sing plus ing, singing. Now they are building a new house. Build plus ing, building. But we should be aware of using some verbs in continuous tense with ing form. We should not use some verbs in continuous tense with ing form. Example, I am smelling sweet fragrance. Wrong. Here, the verb smell with ing uses in continuous tense is wrong. I smell sweet fragrance. Right. Which verbs are not used in the continuous tense? That is the important point. To keep in mind, those verbs are divided into different groups. Verbs of senses are perception. Hear, see, smell, taste, feel, etc. Example, we are hearing those loud sounds. Wrong. We hear those loud sounds. Right. Instead of continuous tense, we use that verb in simple tense. He is seeing a snake on the road. Wrong. He sees a snake on the road. Right. It is tasting sour. Wrong. It tastes sour. Right. Verbs expressing feelings and emotions. Love, like, hate, prefer, want, wish, desire, hope, refuse, value, trust, etc. Example, Rama is loving Sita. Wrong. Rama loves Sita. Right. He was liking to wear white color clothes. Wrong. He liked to wear white color clothes. Right. I am preferring coffee in the morning. Wrong. I prefer coffee in the morning. Right. We were refusing the proposal. Wrong. We refused the proposal. Right. Verbs of thinking. Think, forget, recall, remember, believe, realize, know, imagine, agree, consider, notice, recognize, etc. Example, I am thinking about my future. Wrong. I think about my future. Right. She will be believing my words. Wrong. She will believe my words. Right. We have been noticing the results. Wrong. We notice the results. Right. Students are agreeing to attend on Sunday. Wrong. Students agree to attend on Sunday. Right. Verbs of appearing. Look, seem, appear, etc. Example, it is looking like an eagle. Wrong. It looks like an eagle. Right. Lakshmi is seeming to be a very nice girl. Wrong. Lakshmi seems to be a very nice girl. Right. It is appearing that you are given wrong information. Wrong. It appears that you are given wrong information. Right. Verbs of possession: have, own, possess, belong, etc. Example, I am having an own house. Wrong. I have an own house. Right. She is possessing the natural ability. Wrong. She possesses the natural ability. Right. This is belonging to my cousin. Wrong. This belongs to my cousin. Right. Some other verbs: depend, consist, contain, cast, keep, etc. Example, the box is containing 9 objects. Wrong. The box contains 9 objects. Right. The saree was costing 2000 rupees. Wrong. The saree cost 2000 rupees. Right. Children are dependent upon the parents. Wrong. Children depend upon the parents. Right. Some of these verbs are used in the continuous tense with special meaning. Example, the principal is seeing the candidates. Here, seeing means interviewing. He is feeling the switch. Here, feeling means trying to find. I am looking my pen. It isn't in my pocket. Here, looking means searching. We are hearing the radio. Wrong. Here, ing form to the verb hear is wrong. But we express the same idea with another word in the continuous tense. We are listening the radio. Right. They were seeing the movie. Wrong. They were watching the movie. Right. Correct the following sentences. We are hearing a strange noise. Answer. We hear a strange noise. He is owning a car.
Answer. He owns a car.
This book is consisting 200 pages. Answer. This book consists 200 pages. She is hating him like poison.
Answer. She hates him like poison.
Mother is loving her daughter very much. Answer. Mother loves her daughter very much. I am believing you.
I believe you.